So navigating around the screen, you have is some view filters some view commands. So again, on the home tab, next to the view filter manager, there are these magnifying glasses. So the first one here is basically a zoom in, and you can click on it, it'll keep zooming in. This one here is a zoom out. This one here is a zoom extents. So what that'll do is if you're zoomed over to an area, or you don't have anything, if you click the zoom extents, it'll zoom everything back and to the extent of your objects. If you zoom way out and you lose your data, that means that there may be something down at 0, 0 or something way out in space somewhere, and you just have to kind of find that data and remove it. Now you can also use these zoom windows or zoom areas, so I can pick on this, and basically what it's gonna allow me to do is come in and if I do the zoom window here, you just pick an upper left corner and a lower right corner, and it will zoom you to that particular spot. So again, you're going to pick zoom, left corner, lower right corner, and it'll zoom in on that. Now there's a zoom precise as well, that you can type in the coordinates. So if you had a coordinate you could type in, it's pretty much the same as the box, but it lets you type in the coordinates in a more precise method than just picking on the screen. You got your view filter here, and then over here you've got some center point. So basically, if I was to let's say I wanted this to be the center point, then I could click on this and key in a coordinate, so that would take me right to that spot and center it on the drawing. So if you knew a point coordinate or whatever, but if I just click here, it centers that point on the drawing or in my view window. This is the pan, which I can just pick a point, and then depending on the direction I go, I pick that second point. Oops. So we pick here, pick one point, and drag holding your left mouse down. Try again. So I pick pan, and I'm going to hold the left mouse down, and I'm going to pick, and it's going to drag. And then this is the zoom precise or precise pan. Same thing. You're going to be able to enter in a coordinate and another coordinate, and it will zoom there. Now I typically use the wheel mouse, so on my mouse I have a wheel. So when I roll the wheel in and out, it zooms in and out. If I press it down, it's a pan, and if I double click on it, it actually does the zoom extents.